Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to do castling in chess. Let's start. So castling is a move which takes place between the king and the rook. So king can do castling with this rook also and with this rook also. But in order to do castling, there should be no units present between the king and the rook. Means that king does castling this side, then these two must not be present here. So it can do castling, and for this side these three should not be there: queen, bishop and knight. Now how to do castling? So let's say these units are not present, so the places are empty. Now castling can take place. Here we can do castling both sides, that is either this side or at this side. Now this position is called king side, means EFGH. The corner from where the king is at fourth position is termed as king side, and the corner from where queen is, that is here queen will be present at fourth position, is termed as queen side. So here king is present at E. So here for this rook there are two empty spaces, while for this rook there are three empty spaces. Let's remove them so that you can easily see. Now this is king side and this is queen side. So we have to put our king, we have to skip one box and put our king at this position, that is E to G, while rook will come to other side of the king. So this is castling at king side. Now castling at queen side. So if we have to do castling at queen side, then we will again do the same thing, that is we will skip one box and put our king here, while rook will come to this side of king. So this is castling at queen side. So there are certain conditions under which we cannot do castling. Like if we have to do castling at king side and either of these two boxes are under attack of opponent unit, then we cannot do castling. Like if this queen is present here, so this queen has its attack on F position. So the path of castling is blocked by this queen. So castling could not take place here, and also it cannot take place here also because this queen has its attack on this D position. So at this side also it cannot attack. Now second condition is that, let's remove it. Second condition is in which king is under attack, then also we cannot do castling. Like if this rook is present here, opponent's rook, and here our white king is under check of this rook, so also at this condition also we cannot do castling. Here we can see the path is not blocked, but as the king is under attack of this rook, so we cannot do castling here. But if instead of our king our rook is under attack, here our rook is under attack of this bishop, in this condition we can do castling, that is it will be here and it will be here. We cannot do at this side because this side is blocked by this position. The bishop is having its attack on this B position, so the path is blocked and we cannot do castling here. So this was all. And also note that if king or the rook from which castling is to be done has changed its position at any moment, and even if it came back to its original position, then also castling is not valid. Now, why to do castling? So castling is a great move if used properly, because it can provide protection to your king. Let's say here 3 pawns are present. Now as we can see, the position is empty as king is in the middle, so anytime it can go under check from these empty positions. So if we do castling here, it will be under it will go under protection, that is here and here, and also these two rooks can came in one line, so our side will become strong. Same conditions can take place at other side also, at left side. Here if we do castling, then it will become like this, so king will be under protection. Now disadvantage of castling. So as I told you, castling is a great move if used properly, but if it is not used properly, then it can be disastrous to your king. Okay, here it is not present, and here its queen is present. Now here if we do castling at king side, that is here it will come and here it will come. So now under the defense of this rook, the queen will attack here and we will lose the game. So here we lost the game because of castling, and if we didn't do castling, then it will be here and our pawn will be under the defense of this rook, so its queen will not dare to attack it because we will lose its queen. So that's all about castling. If you have any query related to chess, then you can ask me in the comment box, and also see the description box for more information about chess. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.